AgBelt is proud to introduce the Alligator Rivet Dealer Installation Tool. This tool will make it easy for dealers to quietly install Alligator Rivet fasteners with professional results every time. Before we begin, it is important to square and skive the belt ends. Use the Alligator Rivet application guide to check for proper skive depth and skive reach back. Next, load the Alligator Rivet fastener strip with the engraved alligators pointing up. Refer to the markings on the tool for the correct fastener placement. Load the belt end into the throat of the fastener strip using the markings on the tool for correct placement. Mount and secure the guide block while being careful to not jostle the belt or fastener out of position. Use the air compressor to compress the Alligator Rivet fastener strip with the guide block. Next, we'll load the rivets into the guide block. Once loaded, use the air gun to set the rivets. One strike for each rivet is all we need. Release the guide block, remove the fastened belt end, and break off any pilot nails still attached. Check your rivet height with the Alligator Rivet application guide. Your rivets should easily fit inside the slot in the application guide. Improve your Alligator Rivet installation process and achieve fast, OEM quality results. Order the Alligator Rivet Dealer Installation Tool today. Call 800-383-2469, email us at customerservice@agbeltinc.com, or visit agbeltinc.com for more information.